हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू द यूट्यूब चैनल इंग्लिश ओवर द मोबाइल फ़ोन। मैं रविदित लिया आपके लिए लेकर आया हूँ टॉप 25 इंग्लिश वोकेबलरी वर्ड्स विच विल बी वेरी हेल्पफुल फॉर यू टू enhance your English vocabulary as well as your English fluency. So let's start with the first word. The first word is deal. It means सौदा करना. The second word is comfortable. It means आरामदायक. The third word is weird. It means अजीब. The fourth word is envelope. It means लिफाफा. The fifth word is competition. It means प्रतियोगिता. The sixth word is patience. It means धैर्य. The seventh word is run. It means दौड़ना. The eighth word is remember. It means याद करना. The ninth word is valuable. It means कीमती. The 10th word is violence. It means हिंसा करना. The 11th word is unsafe. It means असुरक्षित. The 12th word is victory. It means विजय. The 13th word is repent. It means पछतावा. The 14th word is roof. It means छत. The 15th word is dung. It means गोबर. The 16th word is accept. It means स्वीकार करना. The 17th word is accurate. It means सटीक. The 18th word is activity. It means गतिविधि. The 19th word is above. It means ऊपर. The 20th word is according. It means अनुसार. The 21st word is bring. It means लाना. The 22nd word is study. It means अध्ययन करना. The 23rd word is bell. It means घंटी. The 24th word is sing. It means गाना. The 25th and the last word is creative. It means रचनात्मक. So guys, thank you for watching the videos. Please like, subscribe and share for more videos. And don't forget to click on bell icon.